As an online store owner, you want to make sure that your customers has a smooth and easy browsing experience on your website. And one way to improve it is by adding the scroll to top button. EComposer Back to Top extension offers a simple solution to add the Back to Top button to your Shopify store. Hi, I'm Rose from EComposer Shopify Page Builder, and this is the EComposer extension tutorials. In this video, I will show you step by step how to add the Back to Top feature on your Shopify pages by EComposer Back to Top extension. Let's begin. Before we start, don't forget the subscribe button for our channel to not miss out any EComposer amazing videos. And if you don't have a Shopify account, feel free to click on the link with a tag on the description below. The newest Shopify exclusive deal is waiting for you. So, from the EComposer app dashboard, you need to choose a specific page to build a Back to Top button. You can start building a new page or choose an existing page that you have created before. Then you will see the outcome showing on the EComposer editor. Now, let's install the Back to Top extension. Click on the extension library icon on the top back corner. Search Back to Top. Then click on Install Now. Next step, set up the Back to Top button. Enable the extension, then pick up the position that I want to put the Back to Top button on the left side. Change its dimension. Pick up an icon on the icon library. Especially, you can set the label content for your button and change its typography if you want. Then change the color for the icon and button in normal and hover mode. One special thing here is you can enable the progress indicator. Then change the color for progress checker background and scroll progress line. Finally, click Save, then back to the editor. Save and publish. Then let's see how the Back to Top button works on the left side. Try scroll up and down and spread the Back to Top button to check if it's worked properly. To sum up, the Back to Top extension is a needed tool to improve your website navigation. This extension is available for all pages. You can use this for all page plans. Check out the upgrade link in the description box. It's a wrap of today's EComposer extension tutorial. Remember to subscribe and turn on the notification to get the newest video from our channel. Feel free to leave the comments or join the EComposer community to get the quick support and the latest update. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.